If you have kids with you, they're talented, they want to enter this competition, come right on over. Don't be ashamed, don't be shy. Come and show your best talent. Now listen, you know what is wrong with our culture? Most of us, we start from some little something, from we see the baby in the house. I don't know how much of you watch TikTok, but I see some TikTok with some little kids. And when these kids are dancing, I have to just step right back and say, hold on there, what for them parents? You understand? When you see the kids that have little talent, when they can dance, when they can sing, when they can be like a stand-up comedian, whatever they can do, encourage them.